Solving the money problem. To solve the money problem, there are several steps you can take. Firstly, it's important to analyze your current financial situation. Take a close look at your income and expenses to determine where your money is going and if there are any areas where you can cut back. Next, create a budget. This will help you allocate your income towards different expenses and savings goals. Make sure to prioritize your needs over wants and set aside a portion of your income for savings or emergency funds. Consider finding ways to increase your income. This can be done by negotiating a raise at work, taking on a part-time job, or exploring freelance opportunities. Additionally, you can look for ways to monetize your skills or hobbies, such as offering tutoring services or selling handmade crafts online. Take a close look at your expenses and see if there are any areas where you can save money. This could include cutting back on unnecessary subscriptions, finding cheaper alternatives for groceries or entertainment, or negotiating lower interest rates on loans or credit cards. If you have debt, focus on paying it off as soon as possible. Start by paying off high-interest debts first, such as credit card balances, and then work your way down to lower-interest debts. Consider consolidating your debts or seeking professional advice if you're struggling to manage them. It's also important to set financial goals for the future. This could include saving for a down payment on a house, planning for retirement, or saving for a dream vacation. By having clear goals, you can stay motivated and focused on improving your financial situation. Lastly, seek advice and guidance from financial experts or professionals. They can provide valuable insights and strategies to help you manage your money effectively and achieve your financial goals. Remember, solving the money problem takes time and effort. Stay disciplined, make smart financial decisions, and be patient with yourself as you work towards financial stability. Thanks for watching.